Noy, makinagbuhay, mabuting taong.
Hello, hello.
Hello, Davao. Hello, Davao. Mabuhay, Davao. Yeah.
I love you, Ate B.
Yeah, Ate B.
I love you, Ate B.
Yeah, I love you, Ate B.
See you soon.
Yeah, see you. Guys, ano? And Visit Hotel.
I love you, Ate B.
Love you, Ate B.
See you soon.
Yeah, Sweet 16. I love that one. You're so...
Request mga ano ka sa Spinsta.
So, with me, we have Nini, Inday, and Ping Ping.
No.
Okay.
Wele.
And Roda.
And Roda. So, Willie.
Batang Quiapo.
And, Batang Quiapo.
And yours truly.
Our pilot, Boyet. Ano apelido ni Boyet?
Tapgos.
Tapgos. Okay. And Nonoy, Rene Navesteros, our captain, our commander here. Okay. Thank you for the car. So, where are we going? We are going to the uninvited press con Dusit Hotel. And only those who are invited, although it's uninvited. So, we are having our... Anong tawag na Noy? Pass? VIP?
We're having promotion of uninvited movie.
Yeah, uninvited?
Uninvited movie.
Movie with our idol.
Star for all seasons.
Star for all seasons. For me, Queen for all seasons. Princess of all seasons.
Wow.
Yeah. That's it with Agamulak and Nadine Loxley. So, see you. We are the Bilmanians of Davao City. Our president is Sir Eddie Fernandez. Willie Fernandez. Okay, that's Sir Willie. And of course, our vice president here in Davao is Nonoy Rene Navesteros. The one, yan. Okay, Noy, wave to the camera. Okay, that's it.
Congratulations.
Yeah. President. Yeah, President Roda and our pilot Boyet Tapos there. Yeah. So we're not the story.
President Roda here in Davao City.
Yeah, President of the Bilmanians Fans Club. Yeah, of Davao City.
At Katalunan Pequeño
chapter. Okay, so this is it. Very excited with this going. Actually mga Ilongga kami, Ilonggo.
Tagalog.
Tagamlang ini Yeah. So we have here Idol and it's my first time. Kayo? Not to see our idol. First time. Pero si Nonoy always na sa Manila.
First time na ba?
Sister Willie always original Bilmania. So ito na. What are your expectations with our going there?
A lot of people will watch or will join the event today.
Yes.
See you, Ate B. I love you.
Para mabasa. And what are your expectations, Sir Willie, President?
At tiyak, mulpak ang press con.
Yeah, press conference. Of course, that's
Love you, TV.
Yeah.
See you.
Yeah.
Ma'am Rindo.
I'm Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindo.
Erlinda Bing.
What are your expectations, Nini?
I'm
happy to see you. And
Ate
about
B.
Ping.
Ate B, see you soon. I love you.
Wish you. Yeah. I love your song talaga. Yes, later. Inday. Expectation. Look at the camera. I love you. Greetings. So, this is it. So, see you later. Kamabuhay and kamabuhayers. This is our going to Dusit Hotel for the press conference. Those who are not invited, of course, you cannot go there. Yeah,
just want the movie. Those who are not
group chat na lang. Group chat na lang ng batch 84. Yeah, batch Notre Dame of Blanc. Batch 94. 84. Blanc, Notre Dame of Blanc. Okay, this is it. So I'm so fortunate to blessed that my connection with Nonoy Rene Navesteros in as much as I was included on the uninvited movie press conference. So So we will be sending you some more updates. Later on, we will be interviewing people there. How's the movie, everything about our idol, ADB, Vilma Santos. So this is, meanwhile, I would like to share to you, we are traveling from Catalunan, Piquinho. So the Dusit Hotel is in Lanang, right, Noy?
Yes, yes.
Lanang. How many minutes yet, our captain? How many minutes? Pilot? 1 hour. So our travel from the residence Granville subdivision in going to Lanang or Dusit Hotel, approximately 1 hour. Okay. We good weather is okay, so we'll be there. So invite our viewers now to watch the movie.
See you on December 25.
December 25, first showing of what cinema?
Lahat na, nationwide.
Nationwide. Okay.
The movie is official entry for the Metro Manila Film Festival.
Yeah, December 25. All
See you on December 25.
all cinema, all movie houses.
Nationwide.
Ito daw yan, no, sa kay Vilma.
So here, Abrisa, SM, what are the using
Desano
here?
Mall.
What else here in Davao?
NCC.
NCC, okay, Davao, and nationwide.
Dito man lang, dito man tanaw, Noy, sa Marbel.
Ako din ako sa first night. First day bro, sa ano kita, kakabok kita ka bats, Marvel kita.
Sa Marbel.
Marbel ka mo, 25?
Pero sa 25 din ako ma'am.
25 sa Marbel, sa Nuang.
Hindi. Tapos sa 25 sa ano, sa following day dito sa Marbel.
So just sharing you updates of Vilmanian's fans club. You see we have our beautiful t-shirt. I love it, our t-shirt, our uniform. We cannot enter there without this uniform. This is our one of our passport to enter,
to identify us
to identify that we are Vilmanians. So for now, this is my short coverage of our travel to meet our idol Vilma Santos Recto. I'm your teacher vlogger, signing off with our teacher Bing, Erdina Bing, Basil Ridon. Mabuhay everyone! See you later for more updates about Vilma Santos and the cast with the uninvited movie press conference. See you! Mabuhay everyone!